I work for Mace MEP and I'm responsible for digital engineering, laser scanning and computational development on this site. I primarily use a data station for looking at models on site in the remote inaccessible areas on site, like this level 35 area here.
I work for Mace MEP, responsible for the major plant levels on this contract. Now, the reason why it's so valuable to us, the data station, because we're actually on level 35. Level 35, we are 33 stories above our main office complex. So having the data station, you're not remote, you use it as like a satellite office. You know, where when we're doing the install, it's absolutely invaluable.
Before the data station, I used to come around with a laptop or a tablet and use those, but it's been quite inconvenient because the screen was so small. It was very difficult to work. Had to bring the mouse with it and everything, and how to find places to put it all. But with the data station, everything is right here and ready. Just open it up and you're good to go.
Before the data station, which is such obviously a big screen, you know, we were reliant on the iPad, or I'd have to bring my laptop up here.
I use it for looking at models, measuring things, for comparing things to the drawings, and generally having access to a computer where access is limited under normal circumstances.
Where we were using external hoists, sometimes we used to get winded off. You know, so you can imagine you get winded off in the hoist, you'd only come to level 15, so it's for the chaps to go down to see their project managers on level 2, you can't quantify the time. Where we can, it's invaluable to us because it's there, all the information's there what we need.